Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel where we try to do our very best to make the stock market easy and simple to understand. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Isuzu Motors Ltd., one of Japan's oldest and most influential automobile manufacturers. From its humble beginnings more than a century ago to global challenges and its bold electric future, we'll cover Isuzu's history, key milestones, stock market performance, and predictions for what lies ahead. So, let's begin. Part 1. History and Origins. Isuzu's story dates back to 1916, when Tokyo Ishikawa Shipbuilding and Tokyo Gas and Teco Electric Industrial Company teamed up to start building vehicles. In 1918, they partnered with Wolseley of the UK, producing Japan's first passenger cars under license. Their first truck rolled off the assembly line in 1922. By 1934, the name Isuzu was officially adopted, inspired by the Isuzu River in Japan. Over the decades, Isuzu grew into a specialist in commercial vehicles and diesel engines, creating a strong global reputation. While many Japanese automakers focused on passenger cars, Isuzu carved its own niche trucks, buses, and engines that powered industries around the world. Part 2. Ups and Downs. The journey, of course, was not without challenges. In 2002, Isuzu completely exited the passenger car business, focusing solely on commercial vehicles. Financial struggles and increasing global competition forced the company to restructure, but Isuzu also had major wins. It became one of the world's largest producers of diesel engines, with millions of units sold across industries. In 2021, Isuzu acquired UD Trucks from Volvo, expanding its commercial lineup, and also joined hands with Toyota and Hino Motors to form the Commercial Japan Partnership, targeting next-generation technologies like fuel cell and electric trucks. On the flip side, in 2023, the company had to exit the Russian market due to geopolitical tensions, showing how global uncertainties continue to affect its operations. Part 3. Present-day stock and performance. Today, Isuzu Motors is listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange under code 7202. The company's market capitalization is around 1.4 trillion yen, and its stock price currently trades between 1,940 and 1,990 yen. Here's a quick look at some key financial metrics that may interest you. Price-to-earnings ratio, between 8 and 10. This indicates that Isuzu Motors is trading at a relatively low price compared to its earnings, making it potentially attractive from a valuation standpoint. Dividend yield, around 4.6%. This means that the company pays out around 4.6% of its earnings as dividends to shareholders. This could be appealing to investors looking for income. Earnings per share, about 229 yen. This represents the portion of the company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. Overall, analysts seem to be cautiously optimistic about Isuzu Motors. The consensus 12-month target is around 2,152-2,200 yen, which suggests a potential upside of about 10 to 12% from current levels. However, some analysts have a lower price target of around 1,600 yen, which indicates a potential downside of approximately 20%. It's important to note that these targets are estimates, and actual stock performance may vary based on various market conditions and factors. Part 4. The Future Outlook. Looking ahead, Isuzu is making bold moves. The company has announced the launch of its electric D-Max pickup, with production beginning in Thailand in 2025. This vehicle is designed for global export, targeting markets like Europe, Oceania, and others that are rapidly adopting EV technology. Through the Commercial Japan Partnership with Toyota and Hino, Isuzu is also developing fuel cell and battery electric trucks, aiming to lead the decarbonization of heavy transport. These initiatives position Isuzu not just as a legacy diesel manufacturer, but as a forward-looking innovator ready for the EV era. In conclusion, Isuzu Motors has come a long way since its early days as a producer of trucks and buses. It's a company that has faced its share of ups and downs, but has consistently shown resilience and adaptability. Its key strengths lie in its focus on commercial vehicles, its reputation for reliability and durability, and its position as a leader in the Japanese automotive industry. As Isuzu continues to invest in new technologies and push towards an electric future, it will undoubtedly face challenges, but also have the opportunity to solidify its place as a global leader in sustainable transportation solutions. If you found this breakdown of Isuzu Motors useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay informed about our latest stock market insights. Dive into our extensive collection of company breakdowns and stock market analyses. And if you have any thoughts or opinions regarding Isuzu Motors or any other publicly traded company, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Our team and I would love to hear your perspective. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, take care and happy investing.